I have a Renogy. Renogy actually does solar panels for the most part, but this is something pretty new for them. It's the Renogy water filter. Pretty lightweight. I haven't weighed it, but probably less than a pound. Comes with these tubes. There's a short tube that hooks to the top because this is where the clean water comes out. And you got this long tube here. On the bottom, there's a float and a little weight. And then the very bottom of it has a little bitty screen in it. So this is what you're gonna drop in the water. And you need to find yourself, moving water works, stagnant pools are easier because then it doesn't move around, but I'm catching it on my water bottle here. And you just drop it in. Oops, it's moving a little bit. Drop it in there. You want to keep your two tubes completely separate. That's the only complaint I have about the bag that comes with it, is that you end up putting dirty tube with a clean tube, and then I feel like my clean water tube is contaminated. So I might work on a new pouch to put this in, but I might tell the company and see if maybe that's something they want to work on. But this clean tube here, then once it's hooked up, you just drop it down your water bottle and you start pumping. So I've got this pump here. Oops, popped right out of there. You pump, you gotta make sure you're not twisting your tube, but you can see the water already flowing, and what it's doing is it's sucking water out of the water source and pushing it down inside. Oh, do I have the tubes connected the right way? I think it's not in the water. Okay, let's try that again. There we go, I'm getting water now. You can see it flowing. You do a little on the slower side. And it does take a minute or so to fill your water bottle, but I feel very good about this because it is a carbon filter. You're going to get out your protozoas and all the fabulous things, and then because it is also what it is, you're going to filter out some of the yuckier things that you can't with their UV filters and whatnot. But yeah, I'm not going to guarantee that the water is safe because I'm not a botanist or a biologist or anything, but going on their recommendation and the instructions that come with it, I feel safe drinking this water, and so far so good. So cheers and happy trails.